All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how you turn the profanity filter off inside of your Google Android keyboard so that when you're using like voice to text, it won't censor things like crap, shit, and damn. So to start out with, we're just going to tap on any place where you would normally like tap to start typing. In this case, I'm just going to type the search bar. And from here, I'm going to go ahead and on the keyboard in the upper sort of left-hand corner, there's those four little dots, and this is for the GBoard, like the default Google keyboard. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. I'm going to go to the settings button here. And this is all of the settings pertaining to GBoard on your Android phone. So from here, we're going to go to corrections and suggestions. And there's an option here that says don't suggest offensive words. Now, this used to say block offensive words or block profanity, depending on what version of Google phones you use. But supposedly recently, they changed it to don't suggest offensive words. Toggle this option off, and you should then be able to say things like basic swear words, and that the keyboard will no longer try to censor you while you're using it. So I hope you found that helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.